In this tutorial, I'll show you how to improve your review rating for star seller on Etsy using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. To qualify for the star seller badge, Etsy looks at your percentage of 5-star reviews during a specific evaluation period. The better your customer experience, the higher your chances of getting consistent positive feedback. Now, if you want to improve your review rating, here's what to do. Start by delivering exactly what you promise. Make sure your product photos and descriptions are accurate and match what the customer receives. If expectations are not met, reviews will drop quickly. Next, improve your packaging experience. Use clean, professional packaging that creates a great first impression when the customer receives the product. After that, include a thank you note. Add a short and friendly message inside the package, encouraging customers to leave feedback. You should also focus on solving problems quickly. If a customer is unhappy, respond fast and offer a solution before they leave a negative review. Another important step is to follow up politely. After delivery, you can send a simple message asking if everything arrived safely and if they're satisfied with the product. At the same time, focus on product quality and shipping performance. High quality products and on-time delivery naturally lead to better reviews. Avoid delays and always stay professional when handling feedback. That's it. Improving your review rating comes down to providing a great customer experience, which leads to more 5-star reviews and helps you qualify for star seller on Etsy.